Hi everyone, I'm Turker from AUDAC. In this video, we will look at file browser available on Luna series and NPM200 and learn how to upload and download files with an example of uploading audio files to the device's internal memory. Before we start, it is important to understand that Voice File Player, Event Handler, and Luna itself are all soft devices running on the same hardware platform. This means they share the same IP address when you want to control them from a dashboard or a control unit such as Rivea or NCP105. So looking at the Luna series, equipped with 16 GB SD card, approximately 8.2 GB is available for your settings and media files. When you look at NPM200, also with internal memory, which is less than Luna, you can see it is 1.36 GB for your media files and settings.